Hey folks, how we doing? It's Mr. Carter here, ready to do Homelike 712. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't yet already, and let's begin. So we are going to be solving some number stories involving money. So let's take a look and break these problems down. So we got here Phil. He wants to buy some creepy creature erasers that cost $1.05 each. Now, if he buys 5 or more, the price is 79 cents each. So if he decides to buy 7 racers, how much will he spend? So he's buying 7 erasers, which is at that 5 or more price of 79 cents each. So we don't need to worry about this $1.05 each because he's buying more 5 or more. So we got to go 7 erasers times that sale price of 79 cents. So we got to go 7 times 0.79. Okay, so we're going to do 79 cents times 7 just as a lattice, just like we would any normal lattice. We'd go 79. Notice I'm putting my decimal point there. 79 times 7. So I'm going to go ahead and put my diagonals. So I'm going to go 9 times 7. That would be 63. 7 times 7 is 49. And then I'm going to go ahead and add up my diagonals. So that's 3. And 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry the 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we're going to take that decimal point and we're going to put it right over here because it's 2 place values away from the 0. So if we took our place, if we had our decimal point here, then it would go here. But now our decimal point is 2 places away, so we got to go 1, 2. So that would make it $5.53. Okay, so it's $5.53 to buy 7 erasers at that price of 79 cents each. Okay, so let's look at number 2. Mr. Katz, he bought 3 pounds of apples and a muffin for snacks. Now, apples cost $2.59 per pound if you buy less than 3 pounds, and $2.12 per pound if you buy 3 or more pounds. So, and the muffin just plain old costs $1.95, so there's no sale price of the muffin. So now, we know that he bought 3 pounds, so he's going to qualify again for that 3 or more pound price. So because it's 3 pounds or more, so that includes 3 pounds. So it's going to be $2.12 per pound. And again, now he has 3 pounds, so we got to go 3 pounds times $2.12. Now, we're going to figure that out, but we can't also forget that he's buying a muffin for $1.95. So we're going to keep that in the back of our mind for now. So right now we're just figuring out the price of the apple. So again, we can do lattice. To solve this, we can go $2.12 times 3. Set up our lattice. So 3 times 2 is 6. Don't forget your placeholder there. 3 times 1 is 3. Again, another placeholder there. 3 times 2 is 6. And again, don't forget that placeholder. So just going to add our diagonals. So it's 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. And again, we're going to put our decimal point right here because it's 2 away from the end. So we're going to go 1. We had our decimal point here. We'll go 1, 2, and the same thing. So it's 1, 2. So $6.36 for the apples. Now we can't forget that he paid for also a muffin. So we're going to add that $1.95 for the muffin to the $6.36 it cost for the apples. So 6 plus 5 is 11, carry the 1, 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13, carry the 1, 6, 7, 8, so it's $8.31 total for everything that he bought. Now try this. It's saying down here, Mrs. Katz paid with a $10 bill. How much change does she get back? So you go $10. So it's 10 with 2 zeros for the cents. Take away $8. And I'm lining up my decimal points here. $8.31. So now we got to subtract that. So again, we got to go and trade. We have zeros at the top, so we got to start all the way here at the 1. Make that a 0. So now that becomes a 10, but we need to trade that, so that's going to become a 9 over here. So that's now 10. But then we got to go and trade that, so that's going to become a 9. All the way over here is now a 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 8 is 1. And we're going to just drop down our decimal point right here for $1.69 left in change. All right, so at the bottom we're asking to compare decimals. I'm going to do 4 and 5 for you. So I know that 55 hundredths, and I'm drawing it as a fraction just to show, and 65 hundredths. So we know that 55 hundredths is less than 65 hundredths. Now we have 0.3, which is 3 tenths, and we've got 30 hundredths. But what we do know is we need to convert this 3 tenths to hundredths. So I'm going to put a 0 at the bottom, which means I'm multiplying by 10. And whatever I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. So I'm going to multiply the top by 10 to get me 30 hundredths, so those are equal. Okay, so go ahead and do 6 and 7 on your own. See how you do with those. If you have any questions, let me know.